This demonstration is how to remove and replace the lower lacings of a double X lace fielder's glove model 1778.
87.
87?
Yeah.
1787. The first thing we want to do is, of course, remove the square knot. And we will start from the left-hand side of the glove, pulling the lacing out from the center of the bar web and working it all the way through till it's completely removed. Oh, come on now. Looks like I should have started from the other side because this is pulling the bottom strings out first, but the procedure is the same. We have to get them all out before we put any of them back in. Now, by taking out the bottom one first, and from the left side first, I will completely remove the lower bar from the pocket before I take out the duplication of the laces. So we have to think about that when we look at the layout of the laces. But now that it's all out, loosen it up. And there we are. Lace is discarded, lower half is completely loose. Now, it takes about 42, 43 inches of lacing to lace this part, and this is approximately that length. Here's the tricky part. We will enter the web here, come out, leaving a bitter end in the lacing of approximately 8 to 9 inches. Giving you an opportunity to tie a good square knot in the small hole. Into the finger, all the way to the inside of the glove. And when you reinsert it in the finger, make sure that you have no twist in your lacing. And of course you do that by making sure that the right side is facing the right side in the lacing. If it gets twisted, as is in this case here, you can merely twist the lacing to get it lined up. Now, as you can see, the shiny side's up. Into the lacing on the side. Round. You'll note that I did not go all the way through. I just took the first lace through the interfold of the leather. Again, exercising care not to get it twisted through the center one. And that's where you start your repeat. Back to the top, into this, and all the way out to the very first hole on your left hand side. This is your hidden laces. And these laces will be on top. When I go down this time, under the original one, into the hole, into the inside of the glove. Oops. Bad, not timed. into the other hole on the inside of the glove. Bring it out on top. Double lace. Something's wrong, Walter. What did I do? I missed a hole. Back it up. Can you back up?
I don't know. We can